Story! We are back in this aerial adventure in which this time we are in command of a military general. It seems he has ambition for you and a couple other soldiers. Will you be able to deal with it or will terrible things will happen? Guys, what's up? Ako nga pala, Elephant. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Today, maglalaro nga pala tayo no Airplane 3 Story. Let's go! So yeah, nandito na kami sa military something. Let's go. Ito nga pala ang aming general. Kumusta general? Ito ang aming airplane. Wait, mimit ko muna tong airplane kasi baka ako ay makopyright. Kasi nga nakakainis to. Yan, much better. Welcome everyone. You are probably wondering why I gathered you guys here. Sim, diba? So yeah, Airplane 3. Magiging military tayo guys. Sakto. Buti na lang, let's go. Airplane 3 starting right now. Actually, ang dami secret mission. I'm the Roblox States Army General. Mga secrets, files. Grabe. You can call me General. General Poncho, what's up? Kamusta? Ang buhay-buhay. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order or else you will be expelled from the team. Alright? Apat lang naman kami. Sana pumasa kaming apat. Now, please take a seat. Nandito na ako sa upuan. Okay guys, yung kasama ko hindi nag-sit kaya siya'y namatay. Deserve? Joke lang, hindi. Let's get to the point. Ano na General Poncho? Ano ang gagawin mo, General Poncho? Let's get to the point. This is our target here. Si Ronald. Okay. Si Ronald ang aming target. We have to investigate all we know is game. Delikado siya. Ano nga ang ginawa niya? Ginawa niya, General? That is very arcade. Ano nga ginawa eh? Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an... Okay. Oh no, everyone in that plane must be in danger. Yeah, that is right. General point. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode using everyone. General Poncho, that's right. Nyari. Our mission is to stop Ronald. Okay, bahala, General Poncho. We need to find that and get everyone out safe. We got you, General Poncho. We will find Ronald's intentions and justice. We got you, General Poncho. We got you, man. So yeah. But how will we get to the plane? Oo nga naman. Great question by her. Good question. Follow me. Okay, General Poncho, we will follow you. What's up, General Poncho? Tangkad ni General Poncho. Grabe ka, General. Oy! Oh my goodness. Angas. Yo, grabe ka na, General Poncho. Napakayaman mo naman. Ano gagawin namin, General Poncho? Dito kami. Elevator pa ba to? Grabing elevator yan. Everyone ready? Yeah, we're ready, bro. We're born ready, bro. We got you, General Poncho. Let's go. Follow you, General. Uy! Sara. Uy, di na ako makalis, dog. Stop, General. Going down. Oh, pababa. Let's go. Going down. Let's go. Ayun. Oh my goodness, bro. Grabe ka na. Anong klaseng? Bro. May mga military. Welcome to the military. Yo, ang ganda ng military cave mo, bro. Napakalaki ng military cave mo. Oh, no. That is how we're going. Wait, magkapalit mo na ako. Nakakarati pa ako. Oh, no. dito tayo. Nice one. Nandito pa rin yung belt ko. Yeah, baguhan pa lang ako. Let's go. No one is leaving this place without the military. Meron na ako, boss. Best. Meron na ako. General, ako ay nakagamit ng isang maangas na damit. So yeah, make sure na nakasuot talaga tayo. Ito ang tunay na soldier. Pag green, yeah, that basic qualities. Looking good. I believe we are ready. Yeah, we're always ready, bro. Now let's check the system. Alright, General Poncho, we got you, General Poncho. Ano to, General Poncho? Checking the plane. Okay, General Poncho. Ako din, General Poncho. Wait. Lah. Okay, General Poncho, wait lang. Wait for me. Not enough fuel. Ako po, General Poncho, lugi tayo dyan. We will need the fight to fill the plane now before we can take off. Alright. Uy, ang layo niyan, boss. Tara, boss. Let's go, boss. Ayun ako, boss. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. I got you, General Poncho. He got you, dog. We got you, General. We got you, boss. We got you, dog. We got you, man. Yeah, basic obvious lang to, guys. This ain't hard, dog. Let's go. Give me that. Whoa, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright, tumulong naman kayo, guys. Para naman maangas. Sige, let's go. Ay. Never mind, dun pala daw. Ayun, meron pa doon. Easy obvious lang to, guys. We're not gonna... This ain't hard. This ain't our... This ain't that type of hobby. This ain't the most hardest hobby. Punta tayo dito. Then, dito tayo. Nice one, nice one. Buti may mga ginagawa ang aking kakampi. Let's go, General Poncho. We got you. That ikaw din. Tumulong ka din. Last one, boss. Punta ka na dito, boss. Nice one. Nice one. Let's go. Yan yun. Grabe ka, General Poncho. Yung teddy bear mo, General Poncho. Uy! Ayoko gawin. Baka may delikado yan, bro. I have trust issues with this game, bro. Bahala kayo dyan, bro. Filling the tank now. Nice one. Nice one, everybody. Nice one, General Poncho. Let's go. Whoa. Let's go. Tank full. Yeah. Now we're ready. Let's go, General Poncho. Let's fight the war. Ay, war. Di war. May teddy bear doon. Try mga baka sumabog yan, bro. Ay, kinabahan ako dun ah. I almost forgot that's Pilot Clark. What's up, Pilot Clark? What's good, homie? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. He'll be our pilot through this mission. Nice one. What's up, Pilot Clark? System is ready, General. Yeah, system is ready daw, General. Hello, good morning. Good morning to that guy too. Please start the engine, Pilot. Yeah. Starting the engine. Nice one, Pilot Clark. Let's go. Nice one. Whoa. Panis, boy. Panis. Engine's ready. Nice one, Pilot Clark. Let's go, bro. Appear tayo. Bam. Appear tayo, Pilot Clark. Nice one. Opening the door daw. Nasa na ako? Ayun ako, bro. Talon-talon tayo, bro. Tara, bro. Now get in. Hello, General Poncho. What's up, dude? Dapat dito malapit kay General. Nasa na yung isa namin kasama. Nice. Dito tayo kay General. Para sa kanya, makapagtanong kung paano maging malupit na soldier. Okay, nice one, General. Ano ginagawa mo, General? Ka nagdadabog, General. Chill lang, General. Alright. Skip. Closing door. Prepare for takeoff. Nice one, Pilot Clark. Appear tayo, Pilot Clark. Good luck, soldiers. Yeah, good luck. And appear tayo, General Poncho. Nice. Appear tayo, everyone. Nice one, appear. Nice one, everyone. We got this. Ano to? Uy, may banana sa middle of the street. We are now flying. Let's see. Are we flying now? Wait. Sim. Even so, we're still few hours. General Poncho dito. Nice one. There is something about this Ronald guy. Alright, General Poncho, ano yung something about him? At first sight, he looked like a good person. Okay. Why would he do that? So, something like that. Kaya nga, General Poncho, ako din napapatanong. Kaibigan ko pa naman yun. General, what are these bananas for? Kaya nga, General, nakita ko din yan. Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Thank you, General, pero I have trust issues, General, kasi madami na akong, ano dyan, you might need the energy for later. Mamaya na yan, General. Let's save up the food, General. Yeah. Wait, don't eat it, diba? Diba, I know something, but it's poison. Yeah, bro. Haha, you can't fool me, dog. Dude, kawawa. No, patay. Haha. I'm just kidding. Napakasama mo, General. It's an old prank. That's not fa. Kaya nga, General. Sige, kakainin ko to. Sabi mo, ha. I just had to do it. Sure ka, General? Ako, naiinis sa'yo. Kakainin ko na to. Aray ko, aray ko! Okay, goods lang pala. Ay, nawala na eh. Okay, goods lang pala. Yeah, guys. Review. Rate ko yung banana. Hindi siya poisonous. Great. Yeah. Well, I will wake you up when it's time. Okay, General. Goodbye, General. Nakagising ko lang. Anyari, General? Time to wake up. Anyari? It's night time. Ano ba yan, General? Sarap pala tulog ko. I need to... Oh. Oh, yun niya. Oh my goodness. Nyari, General. Nyari, General. General. No! Struck tayo ng lightning. No! Okay. No! Patay tayo. Delikado to, bro. Anong gagawin natin, General? General, what are we going to do? Does that mean we would die? Shut up, man. Shut up. Okay, everyone. Chill. Okay, chill lang daw kahit may nasusunog na engine. Okay, sige. Alright, I will fix the motor but I need everyone to cover me. Alright, General. We got you, General. We got you, General. Let's go, General. Let's cover you, General. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Move it, move it. Let's go, move it. Move, 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 dog, dog. Nasaan na yung burning? General, dito, General. General, nasusunog na. Ang tagal mo, General. Babalik na ako, General. The storm is getting worse. Yeah, General, we know, bro. Just fix it, bro. Just fix it, bro. I'll fix the motor as quickly as I can. Dog, just fix it, dog. Alright, cover, General, cover. We're getting at... Uy, nalaglag! Uy, nalaglag! Nalaglag. Ay, di ko kasalanan yan, no? Ano na yan? Nalaglag si General. Tayo tayo dyan. Yung engine general. Yung engine general. Masisira na general. Kasalanan. Kasalanan mo to general. Ba't ka nagpalaglag? Takbo men. Takbo. No. Hindi ka na ako dun. General. Namatay si general. Pilot Clark. Tigil mo na. Namatay si general. Nalaglag si general sa airplane natin. Ano nangyari? Nalaglag siya. Di ko lang nangyari. Wait. Di ko lang nangyari, Pilot Clark. Nalaglag si General. Ayun so. Nalaglag siya. Nalaglag. Tigil mo na, Clark. Pilot Clark. Basta. Nalaglag si General. Nalaglag na. Takbo tayo, bro. Walang nag-ayos ng engine, bro. Pilot Clark. The motor is... Paano mo na-fix yun? Nasa baba ka. Galing talaga ni General Poncho. Uy! Nangyari sa'yo? Bigla akong nag-teleport. Okay, Pilot Clark. Goods lang pala si... Pilot Clark. Goods lang pala si General. Goods lang. Goods lang, Pilot. What is that? Saan? Uy! Skeleton! You will not stop this. Oh, patay tayo, General. What are we going to do, General? Burn. Patay tayo, General. We're dying, bro. Delikado tayo, General. Quickly. Inside. Okay, General. Where are we going? Dude, tigil mo na yan. Tapos na eh. Tigil mo na yan. Napaka neto. Pilot. 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 Pilot Clark. Pilot Clark. Pilot Clark. I'm sorry, General. Anyari sa'yo, Pile? Look ka. I don't know what you are. The giant skeleton. The giant skeleton. Pilot Clark. We didn't see no skeleton. Huh? General, never mind. Let's skip. Uh, takbo tayo dyan. Ano yun? Ano yun? Kita ko yung last game ah. General, we are finally here. Takbo bro, takbo. Andito na naman yan. Nandito ka na naman. Scam. Yung sneak pa. Scam yan guys, scam. 25 Robux. 50 lang yung yield. Napakamahal. Bro. Once we are in there, we just have one chance. Yeah, General, we have to do this, bro. We have to do this. Good luck, soldiers. Yeah, barilan na, bro. Barilan na to. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Okay, this is it. Yeah, General, barilan na to, bro. Let's go, guys. Ay, andito na tayo sa airplane. Yo! I wanted to do this my whole life. Andito na tayo sa airplane, guys. Let's go. Ito nga pala yung inaano ni Ronald, yung nag-hold up siya ng isang pilot. Asa na kaya yung pilot? Sila pilot. Ayun na, guys. Check the store. Uy, wait lang. Di ko magalaw. Abay. Tara, General. We got this, General. Oh, great. You found a hammer. Nice one, guys. Bugbugan na to, bro. Let's go, bro. Barila na to. Buksan mo na, General. Ready na ang baril ko. Bang, 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 bang. Dahil paglaban ka sa akin. Bang, 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 bang. Bilis, cover me. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. There's no time. Go after him. Tara. Abuli natin siya. We need to save everyone. Save every noobs. Ito, save niyo itong mga noob avatar. Let's go. Baba. Antay. At ako. Wala ba? Sige, kayo na bahala dyan. Antay everyone. Bilisan nyo, guys. Bilisan nyo. Ito, may bata. Yan. Save niyan. Save everyone. Dito siya. General, I inform you all. The noobs are in now. Safe. Nice one. Yun sila. Ay, pagbarilan tayo, General. Baba. Open the door, Ronald McDonald. Ay. Open the door, Ronald. Hindi yun sponsored. Okay. Open the door, Ronald. Open the door, McDo. Ay, hindi sponsored. Open the door, Ronald. Want to be the hero. Kahit sino. Step in front of the captain. Sige, you go do it. Tara, pagbarilan tayo kay Ronald. Alright, we trust you. Kill Cleonshi. Let's go. You got this, bro. Ronald, open the door! Kaya nga, buksan mo na yung pituan, Ronald. We can work this out. Yeah, bro. So, how did you get here? Ronald, tigil mo na to, Ronald. This is not the best way. This is not the right way. don't understand anything. Pero wag mo na itong gawin. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. No, you don't. Wag mong gagawin to. Don't do this, bro. Sige, what is wrong, Ronald? Ano bang nangyayari sa iyo? Tell us what made you do this. Yeah. Ever since I was a kid, I've been with you. Joke lang. I had problems, there was no one there. Now we're here, bro, we're here. All I ever wanted. All I wanted. We can be your friends, dog. Dude, bro, you don't have to do this, bro. We can be your friends. Friends? Would you really do it? Yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yes, we will be your friends. Yeah, bro. Because you are a good bird. Yeah, bro. Don't know if you can save our vacancy. It's never too late to do things right. Yeah, it's never too late to do things right. Yeah, bro, let's go. Okay, I will become a good person. Nice one, Ronald. You saved guy. Bakit? Oh no, something bad about to happen. I'm not feeling well. Nangyari sa'yo, Ronald. Kakain mo yan ng McDonald's. Woo! Hindi yun sponsored. Let's go. Hindi yun sponsored. Takbo, dog! Takbo! General! Si General! The captain room is burning. Takbo, General. There's no time. No, the plane is about to explode. Take this parachute. Give it to us, General. Bigay mo sa amin, General. General, save mo sa General. Ano ba? Ikaw, ano gagawin mo, General? Hindi ka namin dito, General. General. I will save Ronald and the captain. Okay, General. There is no time. Just go. Tara na, guys. Walang tayong magagawa. It was a pleasure working with you. Goodbye, General. Goodbye, General. We will remember your sacrifice. You will always be remembered. The emergency back door is open. Dito ba, please? Alam ko na. Oh no. Tara, guys, tara. Jump! Parachute! Go! No! May namatay! You'll be remembered. Thank you for your sacrifice. Dito na kami, guys. Si General Poncho at yung sa naming kasama namatay. Pilot Clark. Sad news. Namatay si General Poncho. Ay, nako. Tapos may namatay din kasama namin. Sacrifice. Hey, Captain. What's up, Captain? What's up, Captain Joe? Thanks for saving my dad. Don't worry. Problem. What? Where's General Poncho? Wala na siya. General Poncho gave his life. He is, and so are you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, General Alex. Thank you for your service. Thank you for, General Poncho is proud. this. Thank you for your sacrifice, General Poncho. R.I.P. We'll miss you. We'll honor your sacrifice. Thank you for your sacrifice. They discovered the good. Nice one. So yeah, grabe. Grabe. Grabe talaga. So yeah, nung ko na nga pala tatapusin ang video natin, ay video ko. Ito yung kasama namin kaganino, si John. Si Ed ko na nga pala tatapusin. Sana naman ay nag-enjoy kayo. Kung nag-enjoy nga kayo, sana naman mag-subscribe na kayo para masuportahan nyo pa ako sa paggawa ng gentong video. Let's go! Bye-bye everyone! Bye-bye!